Hello friends, now in this video I am going to show you how we can create registration form in student side. And yes, in this registration form we are going to add Google CAPTCHA. Okay, so first of all, here we can see the table. Now here we are going to create new table. So right click in this table, add new table. Now here we are going to add our table name. Our table name should be student underscore registration. Now we have to wait. Okay, so right now we have here ID, so I am going to make this I small, then right click here, properties, and we need to make auto increment, so identity specification true. Okay, now here we are going to take first name, then we are going to take last name, then we are going to take enrollment number, then we are going to take username, then password, then email, then contact, and after then last student img India, one more, and that is for approved, because librarian will going to approve this account. So by default when student is going to register, by default we set no, it means it is not registered, sorry, not approved. So here I am going to take where here 50, here also 50, 50, and here we are going to take where here max, here we are going to take where here 50. Okay, so now we are going to create this table, it means update from here. We have to wait. Yes, now update database. Yeah, update complete now. So now here we are going to make refresh in table, right click and refresh. So you can see we got here our new table. So now we need design. So for design in student side, right click here, add new item, because this is the before login page. So when we are going to create before login page, on that time we don't need master page. So we are going to take here student registration, and we are not going to select here master page, only add. So we got here this data. Now I'm going to delete this part. And yeah, in first video I already attached the template. So in template you can see this page registration. Open that registration page code, copy all things, and here we are going to paste. So here we got our design. Now first of all we are going to save this and we are going to run this and we are going to check we got design or not, and then after we are going to make this design appropriate our table. So this is going to run. Okay, so you can see here we got our form. Now first of all, we don't need this button, register with Facebook and register with Twitter, so I'm going to delete that. Okay, now we need to convert this HTML form to our ASP.NET form. So now we are going to change here. First of all, I'm going to refresh here and we are going to check these two buttons are deleted or not. Yes, we can see that two buttons are deleted. Now we don't need this A3, so we are going to delete that also. So here delete this, and now in this title we are going to check student registration form, and now here we are going to set our heading, first name, and we need to take here ASP.NET controls. So ASP text box ID, first name, run at server, and now we need to use this class and placeholder. Okay, now here form we need to take ID, F1, and run at server. Okay, so now here we are going to take last name. Here we are going to take this text box, copy, paste. Here we are going to change ID, last name, and here placeholder, last name. Here we are going to take first name. Now we need enrollment number, enrollment number. Here we are going to take enrollment number. Okay. Now we are going to copy this form group, paste, and here we are going to take username, here username, now we are going to take password, here we can write password, and here text mode password. Now copy, again paste, now email, now we need contact, so copy, again paste, here contact. Now we need student image, so for that we are going to take file upload control, and we need here run at server. Now we need approve. This is directly we need to pass inside our query, so we don't need to take any field for this. Now here we are going to take button, so ASP button, ID B1, and then run it server. And now we are going to take this class, copy, paste, and here we are going to take text. Here we are going to take register now. Okay. So we take this all. Now we don't want this. I'm going to delete this. And now in design we are going to generate why F1 is duplicate, so we need to check. Home name is F1, so I'm going to take here. Okay. Now in design, here we are going to double click, so you can see event is generated now. So we are going to run this again and we are going to check. Now we are going to perform insert query, and then after we are going to add Google CAPTCHA. Okay, so you can see we got here all things: first name, last name, enrollment number, username, password, email, contact, and image, and register. Okay, good. So now for the student image, right click here, add new item, web form. We are going to take student image.aspx. Oh, sorry. We need to create folder. Add new folder. Student img. We are going to upload image inside this. Okay. So now here we need to take using system.data, using system.data.sql client, then SQL connection, con is equal to new SQL connection. Now right click properties, and we are going to copy this path and we are going to paste here, and here we are going to take data directory. Okay, if con.state is equal to connection state.open, then connection close, and here we are going to take connection open. Okay, so now here we are going to make our insert query. So first of all, SQL connection, because we already take SQL connection, SQL command cmd is equal to connection.create command, cmd.command type is equal to command type.text, then cmd.command text, and here cmd.execute non-query. Okay, now here insert into student registration, then values. Here we need to pass 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 value. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Inside we are going to make double quotes, and now we are going to pass plus sign. Okay, now here we are going to pass first name dot text. Now here last name dot text, enrollment number dot text, username, then password, then email, then contact. And then student img, so we need to pass their variable, and in last approved, so by default I am going to pass no. Yeah. So here string random number is equal to class 1 dot get random password. This is due to this file appcode class 1 file which already I give you. Now and we are going to bind here dot jpg. Okay, so our file name is ready. Now here f1 dot save as request dot physical application path. It means this path is up to here. Inside that we are on student folder, so slash student, then slash student underscore img, and now random number dot to string. Okay, now here string path. Now in path we are going to take the short path. To save in table, just copy, paste. Yeah, here we need slash. Okay, so insert query we are going to set this path dot to string, and after then we are going to give one message. Right now I'm going to give simple message, then after we are going to use here bootstrap message. So right now script slash script alert record inserted successfully. Okay, now I am going to run this and we are going to check this, and then after we are going to add here Google CAPTCHA. And yeah, in this form we need enrollment number and username, both should be unique. In next video I am going to show you how we can make enrollment number and username is unique, but right now we are going to concentrate on this insert query. So here here we need to change heading. We'll change that. Here also now I am going to select an image. Okay, now register now. Okay, so we got here a message record inserted successfully. So now we are going to check we got record inside our table or not. So right click here, show table data. Oh yeah, we got here are all the values, and here we are going to check refresh folder, and yeah, we can see we got here image also. So we did this successfully, but now here we need to change minor thing, and that is the heading email and here contact. Okay, so now we are going to do our next step, and that is Google CAPTCHA. So for first of all, to create Google CAPTCHA, you need to register in Gmail, means you have to log in Gmail. Then you have to write Google CAPTCHA. Okay. Now Google reCAPTCHA, open this. And now here we need to label. Label is one kind of localhost. Here reCAPTCHA 2, we need to take this. Here we need to write localhost accept and register. Yes, so we got here two key. One is site keys and one is secret key. So now we are going to implement Google CAPTCHA inside this. So now here in student registration, I am going to take this column label. We don't need here. We don't need this. Now I create already one example. This reCAPTCHA example. I already attach this folder code inside video description, so you can download this folder. Now inside this, in this example, edit with notepad. We need to take these two things, copy. I'm going to paste here simple. Then copy this script, copy, and I'm going to paste here. Now here we need to key our site key. So for that, from here you need to take the site key, copy, here paste, and now we need to add here, right click, add on reference. For that reference you need to browse. My folder is on desktop, this reCAPTCHA folder. Inside bin we need to select this one, JSON add. Okay, so we got that. Now in C# page we need to do some procedure. So for that you need to open this. Here we need to add this for library first. So I'm going to add this for library. Then we need to add this function, copy this function, copy, and I'm going to paste here. Oh, why we are getting this? Okay, so now we are going to run this and we are going to check, but before that we need to add here secret key. So for secret key, open this one and copy your secret key, and I'm going to paste here. So now we need to check we got CAPTCHA over there or not. We have to wait until it load. Oh yeah, amazing, we got here. So now we need to add one more code. So from here we need to copy these, and inside our button we are going to paste the is it means if Google CAPTCHA is invalid, we are going to display this message, and Google CAPTCHA is valid, we are going to cut this code and we are going to paste this code. So now we are going to run this and we are going to check this. So now I am going to press this button directly. So you can see we got here error message, this is invalid. Now I am going to fill this form. I am not a robot. Mountain or hills, I am going to check this. This is difficult. Okay, so we are getting here I am not robot, and now we can register. Oh yeah, we got here record inserted successfully. So yeah, this way you can add Google CAPTCHA also, and you can find that code from video description. So I hope you like my video, so please share it and like it so maximum people can use this. And yes, in next video we are going to make here some conditions like enrollment number should be unique, email address should be unique, and yeah, here we don't need this logo, so we are going to delete this logo. So this way we can perform student registration page. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, then please like it and share it. Thank you so much again.